Hey everyone, welcome to Techno Cafe. I am Ruth Chevres, your host on this channel. On this video, I will show you what is Assistive Touch and why you should use it. So let's start. Let's answer the first question. What is Assistive Touch? Assistive Touch is an Apple feature that allows iPhone or iPad users to perform actions or gestures with a simple tap. Second question, why you should use it? Assistive Touch is very helpful for people with special needs to ease navigation with their device. It's also a great tool for anyone that loves shortcuts and efficiency. You might be asking yourself, what shortcuts are available and how they can be activated? Both are valid questions, so let's go straight to the answers. These are some of the shortcuts, functions, actions, or gestures that are available. Now, enough talking. Let's see how to activate and configure Assistive Touch. Well, the easiest way to activate the Assistive Touch menu is through Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn on Assistive Touch."
Okay, Assistive Touch is now on.
Or go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility, tap on Touch, tap on Assistive Touch, tap the switch to turn on Assistive Touch. As soon as you turn it on, you'll see the floating circle. You can drag it to any edge of the screen, where it will stay until you move it again. If you tap on it, you'll see the default options. Now, you can leave it with these options, or you can go crazy and add other cool features. Let's leave a little and add some more options. To close the Assistive Touch menu, just tap once anywhere outside of the menu. Now, to customize, tap on Customize Top Level menu. To add a new action, tap on the plus button. You'll see a new box with the plus symbol. Tap on it and select the action or gesture you want to add. Scroll down to see all the options. I will select my favorite action, which is a screenshot. Then tap Done. Voila, it's added. Now I can take a screenshot using 2 taps instead of pressing the side buttons of my iPhone until my fingers hurt. I am exaggerating a little, but you get it. You've been there, I know. You can add up to 2 additional actions, but you can also change the existing ones. For example, you can tap on any of the buttons. I'll use the custom button and assign a new action or gesture. And repeat until you're totally happy with your selections. Let's see how the menu looks with the changes. You can always return to the default settings using the reset button, which I am not going to do because I like the changes I did. Last thing I wanted to show you was how to quickly turn off the Assistive Touch menu. There are a few ways. On the Apple support page, they show the following tip. I tried that, but it didn't work for me. I include it here because maybe it will work for you. The other way is using our friendly friend Siri and kindly asking her, "Hey Siri, turn off the Assistive Touch menu."
Okay, I turned Assistive Touch off.
Once the Assistive Touch menu is set, you can turn on or off as needed, but you won't lose the customizations. I hope you start using the Assistive Touch menu on your iPhone or iPad. Please comment and let me know what other features you would like to learn or share any tricks that you already use. I'd love to read your insights. Remember, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. See you on the next one!